Good morning. Can you tell me your full name, please?
Good morning. My full name is Tiara Bella Paramita, and you can call me Tiara for short.
Can I see your identification, please?
Uh, yes, certainly. Here it is.
Thank you. Now, in this first part, I like to ask you some questions about yourself. Let's talk about your studies.
Yes, academic life and career.
What are you studying at the moment?
Uh, at the moment, I am studies business administration at International Women University. My coursework give me a broad understanding of how organization function, covering key areas like management, marketing, finance, and human resource. I find the entry subject matter highly relevant to the dynamic world of commerce.
Why did you choose that subject?
Uh, I course business administration primarily for its versatile and practical application. Firstly, I enjoy learning about the process of the strategic decision making and problem solving within a company. Secondly, this danger doesn't limit me to one career path. It opens doors to a move and any industry, from startup to multinational corporation. I feel it as the foundational knowledge required to run the an effective organization in any sector. Which is a very powerful skill.
What do you like most about your course?
What I like most is the focus on real world case studies and simulation. Our lecture often revolve around analyzing how actual companies navigation risk or achieve success. Uh, for example, we recently had a module where we use a business simulation program to make managerial decisions under pressure. This approach has transformed theoretical knowledge into tangible managerial skill, making the learning process far more engaging and meaningful than just memorizing facts.
What kind of job would you like to do after graduation?
After I graduate, my ID job will be working in a management consultant role of perhaps as a business development manager. I am eager to apply my skill in strategy and analysis to help company grow and become more effective. Mm, Ultimately, my long-term career ambition is to either start my own small business or reach a senior managerial position where I can lead team and influence corporate strategy.
Describe your dreams job.
Thank you. The job I am most ambitious about dying in the future is becoming an entrepreneur by starting and running two distinct small business simulation and e-commerce platform and specialist restaurant or culinary culture venture.
What the job is?
Mm, the role involves the immense challenge of managing two very different operational models. The e-commerce platform demands digital strategy, low physical overhead, and efficient logistics. Conversely, Firstly, the restaurant business research internship operational management, strict quality control of the food and service, and managing physical customer experience. My job will be to ensure strategy diversification, balancing the high return nature of the restaurant with the potential uh, scale reach of the e-commerce site. Uh, this demand constantly shifting focus from the kitchen inventory to the digital marketing budget.
What skills are required for this job?
Uh, this dual challenge necessitates mastering several complex skills. Firstly, superior operational management is vital for the restaurant side, involving supply chain reliability, quality control, and human resource for the service staff. Secondly, strong digital marketing and analysis are not negotiable for the e-commerce venture. Include optimizing SEO and utilizing social media to drive sales. Finally, financial modeling becomes extremely critical. I must be able to accurately forecast and manage to spread profit and loss statement, ensuring that neither business drains the resources of the author. My studies in business administration provide the theoretical framework to handle this dessert demand.
What kind of people usually do this job?
Successful entrepreneurs in this demanding dual role are typically incredible foresight and detail orientation, especially regarding the restaurant operational where small details define the customer's experience. I processing the vision to see how both business might eventually complete each other. Uh, Perhaps the e-commerce site sell the restaurant signature sauce. I'm preferring to handle both the digital market traffic chain and the intense physical demand of the food and beverage industry.
Why I would like to do this job?
Uh, I am particular drawn to this dual challenge for three key reasons. The first is the ultimate test of my business acumen. It forces me to apply the full spectrum of my administration study, from F&B management to digital finance, uh, in a tangible way. The second is the risk management of diversification. Uh, I find the strategy move of not relying on a single market applying finally it offers a dual sense of creation, the joy of building a brand online through e-commerce, and the deep satisfaction of creating a warm, enjoyable physical experience for customers in the restaurant. This combination represents the ultimate entrepreneurial journey for me.
What factor do you think influence and person choice of career?
I believe a person's career choice is influenced by a complex interplay of several factors. Firstly, there are international factors. This includes their nature, aptitude of talent, their personal interest and passion, and their core value. Uh, for instance, someone who value creativity might lean toward design, while someone who values stability might choose public administration. Secondly, external and social influence are how discovered the expectation or suggestion from family and friends, the socio-economic status of their upbringing, and role model they admire. Often, we are subconsciously drawn to careers that are familiar or based within our immediate environment. Finally, economy really is inevitable. The job market demand, the potential salary, and the cost of the required education often dictate what career and vertical are accessible. A person might be passionate about art history, but they might uniquely choose a subject like business administration because of the great finance opportunity.
Do you think people should change their career during their lifetime?
Absolutely, I believe that changing career during one's lifetime is not only normal but is scarcely necessary. Uh, we no longer live in a world where people stay with one company for 30 years. The primary reason is longevity and technology. People are working longer, and it's realistic to expect someone who started their career in the 20s to remain interested or competitive in the same field 40 years later, especially when technology constantly disrupt industry. Uh, Secondly, personal fulfillment change as we grow older. Our priorities shift. Uh, a young person might prioritize money, but in their mid career, they might priority work-life balance of or finding a job with a great social impact. Uh, Changing career allow individual to align their work with their evolving value and avoid burnout, uh, ultimately leading to greater job satisfaction and mental well-being.
How has technology affected the kinds of job people today?
Uh, Technology has dramatically reset the job landscape into fundamental way. On the one hand, it has automatic many routine and manual jobs, tasks involving simple data processing, assembly lines, or basic clerical work, and uh, increasingly handled by artificial intelligence or AI and robotic. This force workers is their field to either reskill or transition into new roles. Uh, on the other hand, technology has created entirely new category of high skill job. We now have roles that didn't exist 20 years ago, such a data science, digital marketing special, and call article architects. This new job places a premium on intellectual skill, creativity, and technological literacy. So, technology has nascently reduced the number of jobs, but I has definitely accelerated the need for continuous upskilling and adaptation.
Do you think education prepares people well for the workplace?
That's complex issue. I think traditional education, particularly universities education, does a good job of providing the foundational knowledge and theoretical framework, which is vital. Uh, my study in business administration, for example, have give me a sound understanding of finance and strategy. However, I think formal education often falls short in preparing people the reality of the workplace. Firstly, they lack practical skill. Many courses are too focused on theory and don't provide enough hands-on experience, which is why internship uh, are so critical. Secondly, soft skill like effective conflict resolution, professional negotiation, and advanced teamwork often are taught re, uh, rigorously rigorously enough. The workplace demands emotional intelligence and adaptability, and these are skills that are best learned through practice and specific vocational training, which school would emphasize more.